What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a few months ago, I introduced you guys to Wormhole Tattoo, which is a China-based tattoo company catering to a lot of beginners because their stuff is pretty damn cheap, right? Now, they sent over that, they sent me a beginner's tattoo kit, which I wasn't too amazed with, honestly. I wasn't amazed with the machine. Everything else was nice except for the machine. Now, they wanted a little bit of redemption, so they sent me another package. It's another kit, guys, so let's open it up. Alright, so here we have the box of the kit. It's a pretty big box, so nice little logo. Let's open it up. Alright, so inside the box we have the machine. Let's put this aside. The power supply. Some grip tapes. Some cartridges. I think these are sample cartridges, so there are 40 sample pieces. And I think this is the pedal. So we'll open it all up one at a time. Alright. So I noticed, unlike other kits, it doesn't come with silicone, you know, those like practice skins, but that's fine. I mean, for the value of this, I think most of the money that you're gonna be paying goes into this, but let's open everything up. Alright, so here we have the really nice foot pedal that they gave me last time. I like it, it looks awesome. I don't know, it just looks nice. Now, they did give me another power supply, manual, cable, and the power supply. Really nice small power supply. Any beginner would be happy with this. You have the liner shader, and you can adjust if you want to switch between the two machines, which is really nice because when I first started out you couldn't do that. Like, it was like you have to remove it and then put the other one in. Nice little touch. Man, beginners have it easy nowadays. Some grip tape, like I mentioned. And of course, the cartridges. Nice cartridges. And let's open up this one, which is the most important one. Now, there we go. And here you go. Wormhole. Foam, and I believe an RCA cable is inside. Now, unlike other starter kits, this has, well, I mean, there are starter kits out there that sell rotaries with it. So this is the one that they package it in. There are two colors, the gold and the red. They sent me the gold one. Nice. Small machine. And a little bit weird because it's like all of it is grip. Let's remove the grip to see how small the machine actually is. There you go, that's a grip right there, and there's the machine. It's a really small machine, but it's like a fat small machine. Now, these small machines are actually really comfortable, and this one feels nice because this part right here can grip into this part of your hand. There you go. And it's narrowing, so it narrows forward. And it actually feels really good. And stable. You kind of want a wide grip, especially if you're a beginner like this, so that lining becomes easier. Nice. I've actually seen this quite a lot from other China companies. But yeah, I think like even Dragonhawk has this. I think they call it the Arena Atom something, I forget, but yeah, Wormhole has it too. Now let's see if it's any good. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. So I will be honest with you guys, when I first received this machine and this package, you know, because of the first package, I wasn't expecting too much, alright? So when I started using this machine, I was absolutely pleasantly surprised, you know, because it was actually tattooing really well. I'm using an 11RS, a 7RS, a 5RL, and I think it was either a 5 mag or a 7 mag. It's been a while because I did these tattoos a few months ago when I first got the package. I totally forgot about the footage, and yeah, I found it recently, and I was like, okay, let's make a video on it. So here we are. Yeah, man. So power lining with this machine is really nice. I used the rest of the kit one time, and then I swapped over to try out the machine with the battery pack, and it works really well with the battery pack. Although if you're a beginner, you could use all the stuff that they gave you, the power supply, the RCA. But as a beginner right now, I would even say if you have this machine, you might as well grab yourself a decent battery pack because it's really comfortable. It's a small machine, but it's perfect for using with battery packs because it is a small machine. Really nice, comfortable grip. I don't know what else I can say. I was absolutely blown away that it was doing so well. Alright? That's how my opinion of the first kit was. It wasn't too good, but it wasn't bad. This one I can say is good. It's a good machine. I think I made that point clear. So enjoy the rest of the video. Here you go. Later. By the way, to the Filipinos that are buying this stuff off Lazada, I'm not sure if that's directly connected to the main supplier, so I would just use the link that I put in the description below. Use my code for an additional discount. That's for you guys. Yeah, enjoy. Alright, so Wormhole Tattoo really wanted some redemption. They sent me something that I've seen from other companies as well. That's the only downside to this, but that machine actually performed really well, and as a kit under $200, it's a pretty nice kit to get because everything is in there. The cables, the foot switch, the power supply, some needles, some grip tape. It's all there, all in one box. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so that you're notified on what's coming next, and I'll see you all on the next video. Later.